Are you struggling with weight loss despite trying various diets and workouts? It's a common frustration, isn't it? You've tried everything from high-intensity interval training to plant-based diets, yet the scale seems stubbornly stuck. But here's the thing, it's not your fault. Weight loss is a complex process, influenced by a myriad of factors beyond your control, from genetics to the unique way your body processes food. Often the struggle isn't due to a lack of effort or willpower, but rather a lack of understanding. Our bodies are intricate machines, and how they react to different diets and exercises can vary widely. To lose weight effectively, we need to understand our body's natural processes and how they interact with the food we eat. So, what's the secret to unlocking this understanding and turning your weight loss struggles into success? What if we told you there's a solution that can turn your struggles into success? Welcome to the Keto Accelerator Masterclass, your ultimate guide to mastering the ketogenic diet. This isn't just another recipe book, it's a comprehensive educational program meticulously designed to take you on a deep dive into the fascinating world of the ketogenic diet. The Keto Accelerator Masterclass is your roadmap to understanding the nuances of this transformative lifestyle approach. It goes beyond the surface, delving into the science of keto, providing you with a clear vision and a powerful strategy to harness your body's natural processes. It's a treasure trove of insights, equipping you with the knowledge, motivation, and tools essential for your keto journey. You'll gain a profound understanding of the metabolic shifts that occur in your body, the role of macronutrients, and the secrets to accelerating your weight loss journey. This masterclass is your key to unlock the power of keto. The Keto Accelerator Masterclass goes beyond the basics and takes you into the science behind the ketogenic diet. So let's dive into it. You see, the ketogenic diet revolves around a simple yet profound principle: shifting the body's metabolism. Typically, our bodies preferentially burn carbohydrates for fuel. However, when carbohydrates are limited, as in the case of a ketogenic diet, the body is forced to burn fats instead. This metabolic shift from glucose to fat as the primary energy source is known as ketosis, hence the term ketogenic diet, but there's more to it. You see, macronutrients, that's carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, play a significant role in this process. In a ketogenic diet, the macronutrient ratio is meticulously calculated to keep the body in a state of ketosis. The high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate distribution is key to maintaining this metabolic shift. What does this mean for you? Well, understanding this science can help you optimize not just your weight loss journey, but your overall health and well-being. Knowing how your body processes these macronutrients and how it reacts to metabolic shifts can empower you to make informed dietary choices. And that's the beauty of the Keto Accelerator Masterclass. It helps you understand these intricate processes, equipping you with the knowledge and tools to harness the power of keto to its fullest. Demystify the science of keto and make it work wonders for you. Ready to revolutionize your approach to health and wellness? It's time to take the leap and seize the opportunity that could change your life. The Keto Accelerator Masterclass is more than just a course, it's your passport to a healthier, happier you. Imagine having the power to understand your body in a way you never have before. The Keto Accelerator Masterclass provides you with the knowledge and tools to make informed decisions about your health, allowing you to take control of your wellness journey. But it's not just about the course, it's about the community. By joining the Keto Accelerator Masterclass, you're becoming part of a supportive, passionate network of individuals, all on their unique paths to health. This community is a place to share experiences, learn from others, and most importantly, to encourage and uplift one another. Imagine the empowerment that comes from understanding the science behind your body's natural processes, the motivation that comes from setting realistic, achievable goals, and the excitement of embarking on a transformative journey. That's what you'll find in the Keto Accelerator Masterclass. This is more than a call to action. It's a call to transformation. It's a call to empower yourself with knowledge, to embrace a healthier lifestyle, and to become part of a community that supports and celebrates your journey. Don't wait. Your journey to optimal well-being starts now. Transform your life with the Keto Accelerator Masterclass by clicking the link in the description below to join now.